What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bearded Ford Tech, and I am working, or just got done working on this 2010 Explorer Sport Tac. It's got 197,185 miles on it, and the customer said that it was idling pretty rough, and that at about acceleration from 50 to 60, it would shudder, and the check engine light was flashing. So let's talk about what happened. Okay, so what happened is the customer said that he had gone to another shop and got the plugs and wires replaced, but when I did it, I was like, this thing needs some spark plugs and needs some wires, and these are the plugs that came out of it. And mind you, he said he got them done about 5,000 miles ago, and if you see, he said he got them done about 5,000 miles ago, and these are NGK plugs, and spark plugs shouldn't look like that at 5,000 miles. And cylinder number 5 was probably the worst one, and the other shop said they replaced the wires and plugs. Well, they may have replaced the plugs, I'm not sure, but those don't look like they're supposed to. And this is part of the inside of the wire. If you look, it's all burnt and crispy. This is the part that connects to the wire. This connects to the plug, and it's inside the spark plug wire, and that looks like it was arcing. It's all black and burnt. There's another one in here. That's where it connects onto the wire. Let's see, hold them both together for you. See the difference? So, but I'll tell you right now, they didn't replace the wires, because 5,000 miles, wires shouldn't be like dirty like that at 5,000 miles. So, and these aren't even motorcraft plugs, and there was cylinder number 5. You can see where I got a 5 on it. But put new wires and plugs on it. It is idling very smooth right now. I was on a test drive, and I'm just gonna do a self-test, see if we got any codes back. There was a P1000, but that's because the code was cleared after I fixed it. So let's see if there's anything else in here. We're gonna let that run its little check. And we're back. There's the P1000, it hasn't gone through its self-check, and then here's the 1342, which is internal fault for microprocessor failure. That's for the like what talks to you inside here. Like there's no clicking or anything. So, and then the 1000 check of all systems is not complete. So we're good on there. Everything's running great. I'm gonna exit that, and then we're in drive. So get it up to 50. This thing's smooth, man. 197,000 miles. This gentleman takes care of his ride, I'll tell you that right now. No check engine light, no flashing, accelerates smoothly. So, fixed it. Customer's gonna be very, very happy, and I can't believe they charged him a lot of money for some spark plugs and some spark plug wires about 3,000 to 5,000 miles ago, and they look like that. So we're thinking that they maybe didn't even do it. I know they didn't change the wires. If somebody changed wires, it was more than 5,000 miles ago. And so that's fixed. It was plugs, it was wires. Cleared the code, test drive, everything's great. Happy customer. And with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.